Want a slim waist and flat tummy in just 7 days without doing a single crunch? This home workout melts belly fat, tones your waistline, and flattens your stomach, all without hurting your neck or back. No equipment, no crunches, no excuses. Let's do this together and see the results by the end of the week. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hey there, and welcome to your 7-day slim waist and flat tummy challenge. If you're tired of crunches that don't deliver and workouts that leave you sore in all the wrong places, this video is exactly what you need. We're doing 10 no-crunch exercises designed to shrink your waist, tighten your core, and burn belly fat without ever having to lie on your back. This isn't just another workout video. It's a commitment to yourself to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident. The best part? Each day takes just 10 to 15 minutes. It's beginner-friendly, no equipment needed, and completely crunch-free. These movements will activate your deep core muscles, sculpt your waistline, improve posture, and boost your metabolism. They're also gentle on your back and neck, making them perfect for anyone who wants results without strain. Here's the plan: do this full routine once a day for 7 days. Stay hydrated, eat clean, and believe in your body's ability to change. You'll start feeling the difference by day 3, and by day 7 you'll see and feel the transformation. So take a deep breath, roll out your mat, and get ready to start your journey. This is more than a workout, it's your first step toward a stronger, slimmer you. Let's dive into exercise number 1 and make every rep count. Exercise 1. Russian twists. Let's fire up those obliques with the classic Russian twist, a seated move that sculpts your waist and tightens your tummy like magic. Sit down on your mat with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly so your torso forms a 45-degree angle with the floor. Clasp your hands together in front of you or hold a water bottle for extra resistance. Now twist your torso to the right, then to the left. That's 1 rep. Keep your core tight, your back straight, and your eyes focused forward. If you want a bigger challenge, lift your feet slightly off the ground while twisting. You'll instantly feel those lower abs and obliques burn. Russian twists are amazing for trimming the waistline, improving posture, and tightening the core without ever lying down or doing a single crunch. Plus, it engages your full core, front, sides, and even lower back. We'll go for 30 seconds of work followed by a 10-second rest. 2 rounds. This movement sets the tone for today's workout. Controlled, powerful, and super effective. Each twist brings you 1 step closer to a slimmer, stronger waist. Ready? Breathe in, twist right, twist left. Let's go. Exercise 2. Jumping jacks. Next up is a fat-burning favorite, jumping jacks. This classic cardio move isn't just for warm-ups, it's a full-body fat melter that wakes up your metabolism and gets that tummy fat running for cover. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Now jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then quickly return to the starting position. That's 1 rep. We're going for speed, energy, and consistency here. Keep your core tight, your knees soft, and your movement light and bouncy. Jumping jacks are highly effective for burning calories and improving circulation. What makes them gold in our no-crunch workout is that they activate your abdominal stabilizers with every jump. Your core keeps your body upright and balanced, which means it's working non-stop even though we're not lying down. It also tones your shoulders, legs, and arms, making it a total body toner in just 1 move. We'll go for 40 seconds of work, 10 seconds rest, 2 rounds. If you're a beginner, feel free to slow down or step side to side. The goal is to stay moving and build consistency. Feel that heart rate rising? That's your body waking up and your fat-burning engine roaring. Let's burn and tighten 1 jack at a time. Exercise 3. Plank jacks. Time to take things to the floor with plank jacks, a dynamic no-crunch move that sculpts your core, tones your waist, and keeps your heart rate sky high. Start in a full plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Now jump your feet out wide like a jumping jack, but keep your upper body stable, then jump them back together. That's 1 rep. Plank jacks engage your entire core, especially your deep transverse abdominis, which works like a natural corset to pull your waist in tight. Plus, you're working your shoulders, glutes, and legs too. Keep your hips level, don't bounce up and down. Engage your abs as if bracing for a punch. And most importantly, breathe. We'll aim for 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. 2 rounds. Too tough? Step your feet in and out 1 at a time. You'll still feel the burn. This is one of the most powerful no-crunch moves in existence. It's fast, fiery, and incredibly effective. You'll burn calories while sculpting your midsection, all in 1 killer move. Let's fire up that plank, keep the rhythm, and feel every second working in your favor. Let's go. Exercise 4. Plank hip dips. Get into a low plank position, forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your core and gently dip your hips to the right side until until you're just above the floor, then smoothly bring them over to the left. That's 1 rep. This dynamic move targets the obliques, lower abs, and deep core stabilizers. Each dip works like a carving tool, chiseling your waistline without any impact or crunching. As you move side to side, keep your shoulders steady, they shouldn't rock with your hips. And make sure your glutes stay engaged to support your back. The idea is to move in a fluid, controlled motion. Don't rush it. Quality over quantity. To protect your spine, avoid letting your lower back sag. If you feel tension there, slightly lift your hips and refocus on keeping your abs pulled in tight. Do 20 total dips, 10 each side. Take a short rest and go for another round. This one might look simple, but it's incredibly powerful. You're not only toning your waist, but also improving core endurance and balance, both of which help you stand taller and appear leaner in everyday life. Keep going, your new waistline is getting closer with every rep. Exercise 5. Standing elbow to knee taps. Stand tall with feet hip width apart and hands placed lightly behind your head. Now lift your right knee and twist your torso to bring your left elbow down to meet it. Return to start and repeat on the other side. This exercise is an amazing cardio core hybrid. It keeps your heart rate up while working your obliques, lower abs, and even your legs and hips. Plus, because it's done standing, there's no pressure on your spine, making it an excellent no-crunch alternative. The magic is in the twist. Don't just raise your knee, really rotate from your waist to squeeze your core with each elbow to knee tap. Exhale every time your elbow meets your knee to deepen the contraction. Go for 30 reps total. Take a short rest and complete a second round. If you want to increase fat burning intensity, pick up the pace for the second set, but maintain good form. Keep your core tight the whole time. Imagine drawing your belly button in toward your spine. That core engagement makes every rep 2x more effective. This is a standing crunch without any of the discomfort and with all of the results. You're halfway through the workout. Keep up the energy. Exercise 6. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back, arms at your sides, palms down, and legs fully extended. Now lift both legs a few inches off the ground and begin alternating them up and down in a fluttering motion. Flutter kicks are the ultimate move for lower belly fat. They challenge your transverse abdominis, the deepest abdominal muscle that acts like a natural corset to pull in your waist and flatten your tummy. Keep your lower back glued to the floor. If it starts to arch, raise your legs slightly or place your hands under your tailbone for extra support. The goal is to keep your abs working, not your spine hurting. Breathe consistently. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth as you kick. The movement should be quick but controlled, not wild or jerky. Perform the kicks for 30 seconds, rest, and then do a second round. You'll feel the fire right in the center of your core, and that's exactly where stubborn fat melts when you're consistent. This may be challenging, but it's worth every second. Push through. Exercise 7. Plank with shoulder taps. Back to the plank, but this time with a twist. Plank with shoulder taps is a powerhouse core move that trains your stability, balance, and tightens your entire midsection without a crunch in sight. Start in a full plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your feet slightly wider than hip width apart for balance. Now lift your right hand and tap your left shoulder. Return it to the ground and repeat with your left hand tapping your right shoulder. Keep alternating. What makes this move burn? The anti-rotation effort. Your body wants to twist with each tap, but your core muscles fight back, keeping everything aligned. That battle is what makes your waist shrink and strengthen over time. Keep your hips as still as possible. Engage your glutes and legs too, they're all part of the stability system. And don't forget to breathe slow and steady. We'll go for 40 seconds of shoulder taps followed by a short rest. 2 rounds. This move is a secret weapon for building a tight-toned waistline without any spine pressure. It's simple but seriously effective. If you're shaking, you're doing it right. Let's stabilize and sculpt tap by tap. Exercise 8. Squats. Let's sculpt those legs and burn belly fat in one move. Say hello to squats. Yep, even though it's a lower body move, it's a hidden core crusher too. Stand with your feet just wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted, core engaged. Now lower your hips back and down as if sitting in a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can, then push through your heels to stand up. Repeat at a steady pace. Here's the magic. Squats activate the largest muscles in your body, your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, which in turn spikes your metabolism and increases overall fat burn. When done right, your core works hard to keep you upright and stable throughout the movement. Keep your knees in line with your toes and never let them cave inward. Squeeze your glutes at the top and brace your core every time you descend. We're going for 40 seconds of squats, rest for 10, and do it again. Add a little pulse at the bottom to really fire up those muscles. Squats are a full body move in disguise. Do them consistently and you'll burn fat, build strength, and reveal a tighter, flatter belly without ever lying on the floor. Let's get those reps in. Exercise 9. Standing oblique squeezes. Stand up straight, arms extended overhead. Now lift your right knee up while pulling your right elbow down to meet it, squeezing through your side waist. Return to start and switch to the other side. This move mimics the mechanics of a crunch but done standing and more joint friendly. It strengthens your obliques and lower abs, improves balance, and tightens your waist in a functional, safe way. It's all about the squeeze. Focus less on touching elbow to knee and more on activating the muscles on each side of your core. Imagine crunching a sponge between your ribs and hips. Keep your movements controlled, don't rush. Exhale each time you crunch. Keep your back tall and core engaged so you're not just flopping from side to side. Complete 15 squeezes per side, then repeat for a second round. This one is fun, effective, and zero impact. It's especially great if you're working out in a small space or want to avoid floor exercises. You're almost there, just one more move to go. Exercise 10. Low plank hold. Let's finish strong with the low plank hold, a move that challenges every part of your core and locks in all the results from today's workout. Set your forearms on the floor, elbows under your shoulders, and extend your legs straight behind you. Keep your body in one solid line, no sagging hips, no arched back. Engage your glutes, tighten your abs, and squeeze your thighs. Hold for 30 seconds, rest, then go again for another 30. What makes the plank so powerful? It activates your entire core, not just the abs you see but the deep muscles underneath. It also strengthens your shoulders, lower back, and glutes, all critical for a toned, functional waistline. Imagine pulling your belly button up toward your spine and spreading your shoulder blades apart slightly. This will fire up your abs and take pressure off your neck. Stay focused. Breathe slowly and evenly. If you feel like dropping, remind yourself you're only 30 seconds away from progress. This is your final move. Hold strong, you've earned it. You've just completed the slim waist, flat tummy, no crunch workout, and your body is already changing. Whether this was your first time or your 7th day, what matters most is that you showed up for yourself. And trust me, that consistency pays off more than any crunch ever could. Remember, it's not about doing crazy moves. It's about doing smart, consistent training that targets the right areas, protects your joints, and leaves you feeling strong, not sore. So what now? Repeat this routine daily for 7 days. Pair it with clean eating and hydration. Stay active throughout the day, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You are stronger, more capable, and more powerful than you think. And every drop of sweat you put in today is building the body and confidence you deserve. Let me know in the comments which exercise burned the most. And if you're ready for the next level, check out my other no equipment workouts to keep the momentum going. Like, share, and subscribe if this workout helped you, and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a challenge. See you tomorrow for day 2. Now go look in the mirror, you earned that glow.